Hey crypto traders, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my video. In this video, I'm going to go over the price charts of Zombie Inu and also Cardano. I'm going to let you know what the charts are telling me and also where I think price potentially could go and give you some price levels. But first, I want to tell you guys about a new project. It's Taunt Battelworld. If you're into NFTs and you're into gaming, this is definitely something you want to look into. You can find them at playtaunt.io. What they are is they're a simulation play-to-earn video game. Right now, they're going to have 25,000 unique warriors. That's all there'll ever be with the NFT. And they're going to be doing a NFT drop, their very first one of 2,500 on February 26, 2022. And if you want to learn how you can actually potentially win a spot on their whitelist to purchase one of these NFTs, I would tell you to go to their Twitter, Taunt Battelworld. Their handles at PlayTaunt. Okay, kind of look at what they're doing, the graphics that they have. Really good team. I've met with the team. They're located here in Las Vegas, where I live. And also they have a Discord that you'll want to definitely join. And in the Discord, it'll tell you everything, and you'll be able to see how you can win a whitelist for one of their NFTs that they're going to be dropping. Like I said, this is the very early stages, so you'll actually be able to get one of the potentially on the whitelist to get an NFT. Make sure you guys check out, again, Taunt Battelworld, playtaunt.io. I'll leave links down below for their Twitter, their Discord, and the website in the description. And so make sure you guys check them out. Okay, with that being said, let's take a look at Zombie Inu. Okay, Zombie Inu wrapped with Ethereum. We do have a nice kind of a triangle, we'll call it, kind of flat top, double top. I think one of two things is going to happen. We're either going to break out or we're going to reverse and maybe come back to this trend line. But ultimately, I actually think we're going to go higher. I think our next level on the Ethereum side will be probably 13 to 14. Right now we're at 10. If we do break down from this lower trend line and take out these lows, the ultimate target would be 6, which would be the breakout. So look at 6 as a support level, but we are making higher highs and higher lows. I think this is going to continue. Next, let's take a look at the Binance side of Zombie Inu. We do have a whole different kind of looking chart, even though they're right there. One's at 10, one's at 11. On the Binance side, we do have a shoulder, a head, and a shoulder. So a head and shoulders. But we are making higher highs, higher lows. I actually think if we could take out this 13, we're going higher. And my target would be 15 to 16 before we hit any type of a resistance. If we do take out these highs on the Binance side. So I am bullish. Now, if we do break down below this trend line, I would probably say the 6th level on the Binance side would be a major support level, kind of clean all this up, and then we could work our way back up. But I am bullish. I think the trends have really gone from bearish to bullish. And they are going to be releasing their NFTs probably within the next 60 days. They talked about a couple of days ago on their AMA. So maybe this might be a buying opportunity into that move. Let's take a look at Cardano. Cardano, we've just really gone nowhere since my last video. We've chopped around, really haven't gone higher, haven't gone lower. We're right about the same place. But I do actually think we might go up to about the 120 level if Bitcoin keeps going. And then reverse from that level. Okay, we potentially could reverse from there, come back, and my ultimate target would be around the 7 to 8 level, 70 cents to 80 cents on Cardano, before it makes a good bottom. I would love to see it go there because I've been buying on this move lower. I've been buying here. If it goes lower, I will keep buying. I love this project. And then also, if you guys want to stake your Cardano, I'll leave a link down below to AMINT, which is one of the pools that I'm personally in, where I stake all my Cardano, where I earn about 5%. So link will be down below in there if you want to learn how to stake. But with all that being said, I think Cardano may get a little bounce, reverse, and then come back lower, maybe do one more leg. And the reason I say that is because this one leg took out all of this trading. And so all we would be doing is retracing part of this leg and then rolling back over, right? And then maybe come down towards this slower trend line and then go up and potentially break out. And that might take a couple weeks to do. So that's what's going on with Cardano. Hopefully these videos help. Let me know what price levels you guys have for both Cardano and Zombie Inu in the comments. With that being said, thank you for watching my videos. And remember, I'll leave links down below for everything if you want to take a look at them. And we'll talk to you soon.